Hello friends, I am Rahul Gavande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study practice set 3.1 of chapter 3rd triangles of maths 2 of standard 9. In previous video we studied theorem of remote interior angles of triangle and solved example based on that. Now here we will study 3.1 practice set. First example is here, one figure is shown and in the figure it is said that angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. ACD is exterior. Angle B 40 degree, it is given here, and angle A 70 degree. Find measure of angle ACD, means exterior angle. For this example, we have to use property of exterior angle or remote interior angles theorem. What is remote interior angles theorem? The measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles. Means if we add remote interior angles, we get measure of exterior. This is remote interior angles theorem. Okay, now by this property we can find ACD. Solution here. First of all, we will write this statement. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. And now remote interior angle theorem. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to, this is exterior angle, measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles, and remote interior angles are A and B. If we can write here angle A plus angle B. Then what is the reason? What support we have to give? Remote interior angles theorem. Their measures. Angle A is 70 plus B is 40 and therefore addition is 110 degree. And this is the angle, measure of angle ACD that we want. Measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. This is the exterior angle. Example number 2. In triangle PQR, angle B 30 degree, angle Q 65 degree, find angle R. Means angle R is the third angle of triangle. And for that we have to use angle sum property of triangle. What is angle sum property of triangle? The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Support here angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property. Now put values. Angle P 70, angle Q 65, angle R we have to find. Now addition here 135 plus angle R is equal to 180. Now transfer order, angle R is equal to 180 minus 135 and therefore we get angle R is equal to, now here 45. We got third angle R 45. Example number 3. The measures of angles of triangle are X. First angle x minus 20, second x minus 40, third. Find measures of each angle. For this example also we have to use angle sum property. X plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now add like terms. 1, 2, 3, these are like terms. 3x, x plus x plus x, minus 20 minus 40 minus 60. is equal to 180. 3x is equal to 180 plus 60. Here 60 is transferred. 3x is equal to 240. X is equal to 240 divided by 3. X is equal to 80. X is 80. We want these three angles. This is the first angle. Therefore, here I write x we got 80. Second angle x minus 20 is equal to x value is 80. 80 minus 20, 60 degree. And third angle is x minus 40 is equal to 80 minus 40 is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, now the measures of angles are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. These are measures of angles. Example number 4 is word problem. And in word problem, conditions about their angles is given. What is to find the measures of three angles. But which three? In that it is given measure of one angle is twice the measure of smallest angle. Means one angle, smallest angle, and the measure of the other. These are three angles. Which three? Smallest, one, and other. Then let's consider x for smallest. Let the measure of smallest angle be x degree. Measure of smallest angle be x degree. Then what condition about one angle? The measure of one angle is equal to, what is condition for one angle? One angle is twice the smallest. Twice the smallest means 2x. Means one angle is 2x. And the measure of other angle. What is the condition for other? Measure of other angle is thrice the smallest, means 3x. These are three angles. Smallest x, one angle 2x means twice the smallest, and other is 3x means thrice the smallest. Now we have to use angle addition property for this. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. And here reason, angle sum property of triangle. What is angle sum property? Sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Now add them. X plus 2x plus 3x, 6x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 upon 6. X is equal to 6 3s are 30 degrees. One angle smallest we got 30. The measure of smallest angle is equal to 30 degrees. The measure of one angle is equal to 2x. It's 2 into 30 is equal to 60 degrees. And the measure of other angle is equal to 3x. 3 into 30 is equal to 90 degrees. These are three measures, 30, 60, 90 degree of this triangle. Example number 5. Measures of some angles are given. Using measures, find the values of x, y, z. Now here x is here, y is here. All three are interior angles of the triangle. And here one angle is given 100, this is exterior, and 140 is also exterior. Exterior property, remote interior angles we cannot use, because here 100, x, z are not given. Here this is exterior, but y and x are not given. Now here we have to use angles in linear pair property for two angles, for y and for z. Let's use for these two angles linear pair angles property. Angle TEN plus angle NEM. NEM is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. These are angles in linear pair. Now TEN is given 100. 100 plus NEM is y is equal to 180. Now here we get y is equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore y is equal to 80 degree. One angle we got, one measure, value of y. Same way for these two angles. Now angle EMN plus angle EMR. See these two angles EMR is equal to also 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. These are also angles in linear pair. EMN is Z plus EMR 140 is equal to 180. Therefore here we get Z is equal to 180 minus 140. Therefore Z is equal to 40 degree. The value of Z also we got. Now what is left here? X. And for X we can use angle sum property of triangle. And now here ENM angle ENM plus NEM plus EMN is equal to 180. And here reason angle sum property of triangle. Now put values ENM x, ENM y, and ENM z is equal to 180. Now we have to put values. Now here I continue. X we don't know. X is left to find. X, y 80 plus z 40 is equal to 180. X plus 120 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120, and we get value of x here now, that is 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. In this way we got all three values, x 60, y 80 and z 40. If you want to check, see their sum, 60 plus 40, 100 plus 80, 180. Yes, we can check by this pair.